McAllen's mayor issued a local disaster declaration separate from Hidalgo County.
The mayor and Judge Cortez say lots of people are crossing, but there aren't a lot of places to house them. And then there's the COVID threat and the cost to local taxpayers. Channel 5's Tanvi Verma continues our coverage.
2 incidents in 1 week, first in La Jolla, then in Weslaco. Migrants who tested positive for COVID-19 being housed in hotels in each city. At the end of the week, after a meeting between Weslaco city officials and Catholic Charities agreed to increase health and safety measures to ensure COVID-positive migrants remain in quarantine.
And they're putting some controls to try to put somebody in there to make sure that when they are in a motel room, that there's somebody there to supervise them.
In McAllen, where the Migrant Respite Center is located, Mayor Javier Villalobos says their rate of COVID-positive migrants has been steadily increasing.
It used to be about 4%, went up to about 7-8%, and now we're at about 15%.
The governor's executive order last week restricting transportation of migrants due to COVID-19. The mayor says they have fewer options to keep up with the rising numbers.
What the governor said, look, unless you're a governmental entity, you pretty much cannot or should not transport the immigrants. And what that does, it puts us kind of in a pickle because we were depending on other contractors to transport.
Villalobos adding that transportation and logistics have cost the city over $100,000 on migrants.
That's $106,000 that we should spend on public safety, on fire protection, police protection, on streets.
With the respite center going from receiving a few hundred people a day to overcapacity last week, the mayor says they have no idea where to put people.
We don't know what we're going to do, where we're going to send. Keep on asking the federal government, the president, the Congress, the Senate to do something.
Catholic Charities was unable to speak to us today, but Executive Director Sister Norma did tell Channel 5 last week that they've been putting COVID-positive migrants up in hotels for over a year. Tanvi Verma, Channel 5 News.